Hey, what's up, y'all? This your boy Street. Just checking in. Make sure everybody is healthy, staying safe. The coronavirus is real. So for those of you who think it ain't, it is. So just be safe, wear your mask, and practice social distancing as much as possible. So I just want to give you guys a little update on the on the transportation sector, the cruise industry, and the airlines. Lately, things have cooled down as it relates to the stock price. Somebody had asked me, why weren't the stocks really moving right now, like they were before? And so, my theory is that in the midst of crisis, companies, stock prices move pretty frequently, right? There's a lot of volatility in them, and they go up and down based on certain things that's happening in the economy and the Dow Jones and other things. Right now, I think that the markets have already kind of priced in that the airline stocks and the cruise industry stocks won't be rising anytime soon, given that the companies won't be reporting any earnings, positive earnings for that matter. And, the market have just gotten kind of used to the climate right now, and so the prices are really just kind of stagnant. But I haven't seen any evidence that the price has not continued to move with the Dow, basically meaning that when the Dow Jones rises above, the stock prices still move. And those stock prices I'm talking about are Carnival Cruise Lines, Norwegian Cruise Line, Royal Caribbean Cruise Line, American Airlines, JetBlue, Delta, Southwest, and United Airlines, all of the stocks that I'm currently following. So all of those stocks as of right now currently are still moving with the Dow Jones when the Dow has any sort of big gains or big losses in point-wise. So what you're seeing now is just basically that. The Dow hasn't really been moving a lot lately, and these prices have just pretty much been stagnant. So it's not that there aren't good investments anymore, or the company stock prices are going to just bottom out. I haven't seen any evidence to support that notion. But right now, it's still a buyer's market. I still believe that they are still strong companies as it relates to the stock prices, given the government's stakes that they own in the stocks. I don't see the government allowing them not to tap into any sort of funding that they would need, providing that the downturn continues into next year, later this year, early next year. So for as of right now, the stocks are still solid, at the current prices. Carnival Cruise Lines closed at $14.80 on Friday. Norwegian closed at $14.38. Royal Caribbean closed at $50.83. American Airlines closed at $11.39. JetBlue closed at $10.29. Delta closed at $25.96. Southwest Airlines closed at $31.66, and United closed at $32.88. So, American Airlines, JetBlue, and are two of the most undervalued out of the bunch, in my personal opinion. So, once again, you just buying these stocks at current prices. When they jump back up, a couple bucks, you sell them, right? Nothing is really long term as it relates to these stocks, as far as the strategies that I believe that people should execute when you're trying to build cash. And so, if you're in a build capital stage right now, you're not buying, American Airlines at $11.39, letting it go up to $13 and holding on to it, letting it fall back down to $11. The idea is that when you see any sort of growth in them stocks, sell them. And, some will call that day trading. I don't particularly call that day trading. I call that taking money off the table and realizing the gains. And so with any of these stocks, you see anything, jump up significant, a couple bucks is significant in a time like now when everything is being distressed. Again, I think these industries are still solid. It's just about, when you buy the stocks. I currently think that the stock prices right now are good buys right now. Does that mean they can't fall a little further? No, it does not. At this stage, any kind of news can come out, COVID testing, You know, the Trump could tweak something that could send the prices down, but I think they'll rebound. So right now, I think they're at some good prices to be purchased. But just remember, buying, jump up, sell, get out the way. All right, it's your boy. So we'll give you guys an update. Remember, if you got any questions, you can send them in to my YouTube channel or my Instagram. It's your boy Street. I'm out.